Hello friends, hope you all are doing good. It has been a while, like almost a month that I haven't posted anything on IB Endeavours. So here we are today. It's a long weekend, Good Friday weekend. So we thought that why not go out for some time and have a family outing. So we have a plan for today and we are going to some place interesting. Now let's start our journey for the day. It is very true that when the intention is noble and the idea is novel, hindrances or obstacles can turn into opportunities at times. That is where Mirchi and Mime, the place we are visiting today, comes into picture, where the staff attending to the guests are specially abled in terms that they are speaking and hearing disabled, impaired. So you have to communicate with them in terms of sign language.
Welcome to Mirchi community. Oh, and what does it say? Or using Indian Sign Language, or use your finger to point.
So what we have to do, we have to order and how do we do that? What it says?
We do it like this, or no, this specific signs.
The first time, right? Just want to tell you two things about the restaurant, Mirchi and Mine. Mirchi represents the spices which we add on the food, and the Mine is my all servers are teaching and learning people. So your server wants to introduce himself to God. So please have a look. Excuse me. Hello, welcome to Mirchi and Mine. My name is Vishal and this is my son. So whenever you want Vishal on the table, you have to do yes. And if in case you need my help, so this is my son. Myself Priyanka and this will be my son. So this is thank you from the chief and a welcome. Thank you.
So you said thank you. And if I have to ask for Vishal, what do I do?
Thank you, Vishal. Because he has that spicy one. So that's why.
Okay.
And I have lots of things on my.
So what
So
else?
that's good.
Okay. So if we have to ask for you, we have to say you're Priyanka and he is Vishal. Okay.
This is thank you from the chief to the person. Thank you from the chief to the person.
Okay.
And the welcome.
Welcome.
And this is excuse me. We will come by this. Excuse me.
Mirchi and Mime is a first of its kind concept in India, and when we went there it was almost full. It was full house and quite impressive to see the staff attending to the queries and requests of the guests with very much professionalism and agility. They say that their sign language is their superpower. We had a great time at Mirchi and Mime. Here are some of the delicacies we had there. Here is a dessert which is an absolute must. It is the custard apple or sitafal panna cotta. And finally, we came back with a memento of the place that gives us a part of their superpower in terms of few more of the sign languages, which will help us to communicate with them better and be a part of their world a little more. So friends, after that sumptuous meal in Mirchi and Mime in Mumbai, we have now come to Bandra Hill Stand. Here we are. I feel it's true that the times are hard and that we are living some restricted life, but still, under such controlled circumstances also, we can try to breathe free and think about the broad horizon. And that's why we are today at Bandstand, enjoying the beauty of nature and the purity. Friends, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Like the video, share it with your friends and family. Subscribe to my channel Ivy Endeavours to stay tuned and get news about my upcoming videos. Stay healthy, stay safe, stay happy. Bye for today. I'll come back with more interesting videos soon. Bye bye.